Well, the Fed is also expected to lower interest rates when it meets later this week, and that may trickle down to mortgage rates that have scared some would-be buyers away. Fox 26's business reporter Tom Zizka says even in a relatively healthy market like Houston, there are not enough home buyers for the homes that are for sale right now. Tom.
Caroline, it is true. The Houston Association of Realtors says August sales were up almost 12% over a year ago, which is encouraging news. But we start this week with mortgage rates for 30-year mortgage about 6.29%. It is pricey, though lower than a year ago, expensive for some. The sellers of this particular house recently dropped their price, and they're not alone.
We're seeing more of a balanced market right now. Houston is a great place right now for both buyers and sellers.
Teresa Hill is the soon-to-be chair for the Houston Association of Realtors, which says despite some markets seeing a decline in home prices as buyer interest dries up, Houston prices are flat, while there are still a lot of homes for sale. In August, the average home price was $422,000, and there are about 40,000 homes for sale in the Houston metro, which is a decade-high 6-month inventory. On average, it takes 52 days to find a buyer and sign the papers, almost a week longer than a year ago. While Houston is not a buyer's market, sellers should not expect the bidding wars of a few years ago, and some deals may need to be sweetened a bit to get them done. That could include lower prices. It could mean money to buy down the buyer's mortgage rates or seller-paid closing costs.
Now buyers have a little bit more negotiating power, but again, sellers are still getting those solid offers. I will say there are even some instances where we are seeing multiple offers, but at least the sellers are getting some steady, solid offers if they price right.
If they price right. Despite the high inventory of homes for sale in the Houston area, there are still, like a lot of markets, not enough so-called affordable starter homes. They are just too expensive for so many people. Recent research by Realtor.com finds that 7 of 10 would-be home buyers who earn the median U.S. household income are simply priced out of the market. Watching your money tonight, I'm Tom Zizka, Fox 26 News.